Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use different line types in AutoCAD. Line types in AutoCAD control the appearance of lines in a drawing. While a standard line appears as a continuous solid line, AutoCAD also provides many other line types such as dashed, dotted, center, hidden, and phantom lines. Different line types are essential in technical drafting because they help communicate specific information. For example, hidden lines can indicate features that are not visible, while center lines can show the center of circles or symmetrical objects. A line type determines how a line appears in a drawing. Instead of a simple continuous line, AutoCAD can display lines using various patterns. Common line types. Some of the most commonly used line types include continuous, dashed, dotted, hidden, center, and phantom. Line types help you improve drawing readability, follow drafting standards, distinguish different objects, communicate technical information, and create professional drawings. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to apply different line types. Line types are applied to existing objects within a drawing. Go to the command line and type LT, then press Enter. LT is the shortcut command for Line Type Manager. The Line Type Manager window opens. This is the tool used to load, manage, and apply line types within AutoCAD. Inside the Line Type Manager, click Load. AutoCAD displays a list of available line types. Many line types are not loaded into the drawing by default. The Load function allows you to add them for use. Browse through the list of available line types. You might choose Hidden, Center, Dashed, Dot, and Phantom. What happens next? The selected line types are added to the drawing. After selecting the line types you want, click OK. Result. The chosen line types are now available for use in the drawing. You can load several line types at once so they are available whenever needed. Click on the line or object whose appearance you want to change. The object becomes selected. Go to the top toolbar and locate Properties. The Properties area allows you to modify various characteristics of the selected object. Find the option currently displaying By Layer. By Layer means the object inherits its line type from the layer it belongs to. Professional drawings often control line types through layers for consistency. Click the drop-down next to By Layer. A list of available line types appears. The line types you loaded earlier are now listed. Select the line type you want to apply. Result. The selected object now uses the chosen line type. What you'll notice, the line appearance changes according to the selected pattern. Different line types communicate different meanings without needing additional notes or labels. Professional CAD standards rely heavily on line types to distinguish visible edges, hidden features, center lines, and construction geometry. Additional tip. For the best organization, many drafters assign line types to layers and leave objects set to By Layer. This allows all objects on a layer to update automatically when the layer settings change. What you just accomplished. You opened the Line Type Manager, loaded additional line types, selected an object, accessed the line type dropdown, applied a new line type, and changed the appearance of the selected line. Why line types are important. Line types provide visual meaning within technical drawings and help communicate information clearly and professionally. To summarize, using different line types in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and typing LT into the command line to open the Line Type Manager. From there, click the Load button to view the available line types and select the ones you want to use. After clicking OK, the selected line types become available in the drawing. Next, select a line or object, go to the Properties controls at the top of the interface and locate the Line Type dropdown, which often displays By Layer. Open the dropdown and choose one of the loaded line types. The object immediately adopts the selected line type, allowing you to create clearer and more informative technical drawings. And that's how to use different line types in AutoCAD. Line types are a fundamental drafting tool because they help distinguish between visible edges, hidden features, center lines, and many other types of geometry. Learning to load and apply them correctly will make your drawings more professional and easier to understand. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.